Your daily dose of Mrs. Brown's kitchen cake hacks. Let's make an Oreo dirt cake. 1 box of chocolate cake mix minus the instructions. 1 cup of milk into that cake mix and 4 eggs. 1/2 cup of sour cream, a healthy splash of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of melted butter, a nice sized teaspoon of espresso powder. Mix well. Get that into a 9 by 13 in the oven at 350 for approximately 30 minutes. This was in for almost 45 minutes, and I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. It's partially cooled for approximately 10 minutes, and I am going to poke some big old holes in this cake with the back of a wooden spoon, like so. Now I have some homemade chocolate fudge sauce, and I am going to pour this into each and every hole. Now I'm going to let this baby fully cool. The next layer of this cake needs some chocolate pudding. 2 cups of cold milk and 1 pack of Jell-O instant pudding, and I'm going to use my whisk and get this incorporated for about 2 minutes. Chocolate pudding mixture is going to go on top of the cake. I'm going to pop this in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes till it sets a little. I need some crushed up Oreos, and I'm going to use a full pack of this double stuff. On a side note, when did a full pack of Oreo cookies mean 18 cookies? While that's chilling in the fridge, I'm going to start working on the last top layer. We need 1 more pack of Jell-O chocolate pudding. I'm going to pop this pudding in the fridge to fully set for approximately 10 minutes. The other half of that topping to go with the chocolate Jell-O pudding, we need some heavy cream. You could 100% use Cool Whip here, but I want some heavy cream. If you're using Cool Whip, you would use the full tub here, a large tub. I've got 3 cups of heavy cream, and I'm going to start whisking this by itself until it gets thick. It's starting to thicken now. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of icing sugar and mix some more. This whipping cream is one of my favorite things in life. I feel like Cool Whip just kind of tastes fake. It's all right in a pinch, but when I have the option, I'm going to make homemade. The chocolate pudding is set, and I'm going to fold this in with the whipping cream for the topping of my cake. It's going to be kind of messy, but I'm okay with that. The whipping cream to chocolate ratio was not great, so it's not the most chocolatey, but it's still delicious. Back to the cake. That pudding is nice and set on top. Getting these Oreos on here. They're crunched up, but they're big pieces. I crunched them by hand, not in a blender. We're ready for the topping. Let's get this on top. So thick. It is gonna be thick. It's fully iced. I didn't need to use all of that heavy cream pudding mixture. I think if you use the tub of Cool Whip, you'd have more of an appropriate measure. You'd want to use it all. I mean, I could stop here. I've thought about it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna put some Oreos on top just to make it prettier. It's not real, oh my, it's heavy, but it's not really pretty right now. So let's make this prettier. That is prettier. Now I finally get to get a taste of this cake. It is finally time to sample this cake, and I am using my lasagna spatula because I'm getting a big ass piece of this. Just look inside this cake. Let's take a look up close because there is a whole lot going on here. Oh my, oh my, oh my. I don't think I can fit this all in at once. Holy sweet baby shitballs. If you're going to make a cake that you've seen here on my page, let it be this one.